Just a quick one about trimmer handle upgrades. This is a Stihl KM94, and the handle it came with was this cheap plastic one, which is you'll find on probably more your homeowner sort of range, which I'm not very impressed with still. It's you should have the better handle, and this is the better handle that comes on the KM131. Other bits like that, it's got a nice rubberized texture, thicker, nicer to handle, nicer to hold I mean. And yeah, if you're using this daily basis, it's definitely worth the upgrade in my opinion. You know, this one's just cheap, really small plastic one. This larger one's got a nice rubber grip. So the part number you want for this, that's it right there, the nice rubberized grip on it. Again, it's probably around 20 quid, 15, 20 quid, something like that, but it makes handling it a lot nicer. So yeah, you can do this with any of the Strimmers and Hedge trimmers, and so yeah, this handle upgrade should fit most of the Stihls. I think so it's an inch. It will fit any shaft which is an inch pretty much, 25mm. You probably find it will fit slightly smaller ones. You might just have to pack it out a bit, but a definite upgrade in my opinion. There's obviously loads of different types of handles you can get. You can get massive ones, but for me this is just, I like these small little ones, and this one's got a nice rubber grip on it, so it's a lot nicer to use. So yeah, if you've got any of the Stihls or anything like that, definitely upgrade. So yeah, just a quick one. Hope that helps, and yeah, cheers.